This is the Sandhill Key floor plan by Joyal Homes in Aripeka, and it is nothing short of astonishing. One of the first things you'll notice is these mature oak trees. Every builder in Aripeka has done an exceptional job at preserving trees and building around said trees. It's one of my favorite things about this community, and it's something that makes Aripeka that much different than the surrounding neighborhoods. This is one of my favorite rooms in the entire house. It's the bonus room, and it has an amazing feel. Right behind me, this is truly a work of art. Custom designed, crafted out of walnut, has accent lighting, and it truly sets the tone in here like no other. 3,397 square feet of pure living enjoyment. You have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and that incredible bonus space we just talked about. A defined great room, defined living space, and one of the most remarkable kitchens I've ever set my eyes on. And in this kitchen, there's no shortage of storage. You have wall cabinetry, and then check this out, a full-on butler's pantry. And for all you wine aficionados out there, all of the appliances here are high-end, including these 3 wine captains with 9 separate zones for all of your cooling needs. And welcome to the primary retreat, nearly in a completely separate wing of the property, and there is abundance of natural light that is flooding this space. Joyal Homes is known for the transom windows, which you'll find in the bedroom and in the bathrooms. And what it does is just creates a ton of light in this space that makes it inviting and always bright. And a closet for a Kardashian, custom built, quartz countertops, everything outfitted by California Closets. And one of my favorite features, the primary bedroom has access to a private pergola. Check this out. It's like your little mini retreat out here. And there's even stepping stones. Now let's go through the Goliath 10-foot sliders that'll take us out into the 718 square foot patio space. You'll find ample space out here, an outdoor kitchen for all your grilling necessities, a pool with a sun shelf and a spa. Not to mention these glorious water views. There's a lot of things about this house we didn't mention, but every glance that you take in this home, there's something that'll impress you. If you want to set up a private tour of this property or learn more about Joyal Homes, Aripeka, or living in Viera, send me an email to shane@thebergmangroup.com.